Welcome back, everybody. Looking at the overall pattern here for a lot of the Pacific and the United States and North America. I've got a ridge of high pressure out here over the eastern Pacific, and that's kind of forcing the jet stream and the storm track just off to the north of Montana. However, the jet stream will kind of waver back and forth, creating some pretty strong wind here in the state over the next few days. And looking ahead towards the weekend, we may see the jet stream actually dip far enough back to allow a colder, wetter system to come in here for Labor Day itself. That's coming up on Monday. How about the wildfires out there? Not a lot of growth on the existing fires, although some of the fires here, including that drumming fire, that one to the west of the Heart Butte area, a little southwest of the Heart Butte area, it's up to 400 acres here, so it's slowly growing. Still a little activity on a few of the fires in the Bob. The Wood Lake fire not showing much. The Cinnabar fire still active, although it saw a good amount of rain. And the Bear Creek fire, about 85% contained in almost 12,000 acres. This northwest flow in the state has pushed a lot of the smoke down towards the south here. There's a lot less smoke for a lot of the west, but the smoke is still there, and all it's going to take is a little southwest wind to kind of push that smoke back up into our big sky. But what a beautiful blue sky it's been across a lot of the state. Friendly, fair weather, cumulus clouds out there. 80 degrees right now in Helena. Pretty nice with the exception of the wind. 82 in Great Falls, gusts up to 31 miles per hour. Again, yesterday we had some record cold high temperatures in the southwestern part of the state. You can see everybody much warmer today, much windier, and we've got a decent amount of dry air that has moved into the state. And still looking at a red flag warning for the rest of this evening with winds continuing overnight. Really, the fire danger continues, and the wind not going to let up until maybe late tomorrow evening. Not much on the radar. Again, that storm track is off towards our north. A couple of low pressures moving through the center part of the country. Here's what will happen. The wind continues to howl here for the rest of this evening through the overnight in many locations. Windy for a lot of folks here last night into this morning. That will likely hold true through tonight into tomorrow. Tomorrow, a very windy day, but in the afternoon, we'll see a little front come through the northern tier of the state with a few showers, an isolated thunderstorm up on the high line, but a strong west wind will become a strong north wind. So there's a good wind shift in the afternoon. Thursday looks like a real pretty day with lighter wind, so that certainly is a good thing when the wind dies down here. Here is the wind. Notice it continues through tonight all the way into tomorrow. Very windy conditions, stronger wind tomorrow. It's at about 3, 4, 5 o'clock. That's when the wind will begin to shift across the northern tier of the state. And fortunately, the wind will ease up some as we get into Thursday. Here's the forecast for tonight. A windy night, a warmer night than the last few nights. Only lows down into the 50s to around 60 degrees here for the most part. And here's the forecast for tomorrow. Cold front coming in late. A couple of showers along the high line. Glasgow, Havre, likely north of Great Falls, but very windy. Very high fire danger once again for tomorrow. Thursday, not as much wind. Pretty nice day. Temperatures in the 70s and the 80s with mostly sunny skies. Friday, look at the warmth here. Numbers going back up into the 80s, even a few 90s. And the start of Labor Day weekend. Remember, it's hot until it's not. Saturday, we'll have high temperatures well up into the 80s, even the 90s. Strong wind, high fire danger. But here on the 7-day forecast, look at the changes going through Labor Day weekend. It starts hot. Sunday, slightly cooler with a couple of clouds. Monday, some rain showers likely, possibly even cold enough for higher mountain snow. Keep that in mind as you make your weekend plans. And for Great Falls, high fire danger the next several days. Some showers, cooler air start moving in on Sunday. Monday looks like a mostly cloudy, cooler day with widespread rain showers.
Coming up,